Hello, good evening, friends. I am coming up with case study 2 along with the solutions, and I'll request you to please see it very carefully. These questions are very, very easy, and you will be able to understand it properly. I am coming up with my notes here. Hello, friends. I have come with my case study number 2. This is for class 10th, and I hope you will be able to understand it properly. I am coming up with my solution also. Firstly, let us see what the case is. It is saying that a car moves on a highway. The path traced by the car is, look here, this is the path A, B, C, D, E. The path is parabolic in shape. What is the shape of curve CDE? Now I'll be going ahead with the solution of part A. Now look here, this is solution of part A. The path of the curve is parabolic in shape. Remember, these are parabolic curves. These two curves are, this is going up, this is open on the upside. It is concave up, it is like a cup. Now look here, it is concave down, नीचे की तरफ खुली हुई है, it is concave down. It is like a frown. Look here, इसका आप चेहरा देखो, बड़े गुस्से में है, he is frowning. So, when it is concave down, it is like a frown. Now, let us go to the second part. Second part of the problem is, if the shape of the curve ABC is represented by x square minus 7x plus 12, then its zeros are. Now look here, I am going to the solution. Here curve is x square minus 7x plus 12. To find its zeros, we will have to factorize it. Now, whenever x square is all alone, that is only 1 is the coefficient, that in that case, you write these two brackets, x square, 1x here, 1x here, 12. Make the factors 4 and 3. Add करने पे 7 आ गया. So you want 7 of minus sign. So 4 should be minus and 3 should be minus. So factors are x minus 3, x minus 4 equal to 0. Put it equal to 0. We want to find the zeros. From here we will get x minus 3 is 0, x is 3. From here x minus 4 is 0, x is equal to 4. These are the zeros. So second part is done up. Now let us go to the third one. The path of the car traced by whose zeros are 2 and minus 4. Look here. Solution is given here. Let us find the curve. Its zeros are x minus 2 are 2 and minus 4. So then x minus 2 and x minus minus 4 will be the factors. So x minus 2 minus minus plus. So x plus 4. They are the factors. Multiply it and we will get x square plus 2x minus 8. This is the polynomial. Now let us go to the fourth part. Fourth part is given here. Find the number of zeros of the following curve. This is the curve. And we want to find the number of zeros. Now look here, this is the solution here. Number of zeros are points of intersection of the curve with x-axis. Look here, this is the x-axis. And this curve is intersecting it at how many points? 1, 2, 3, 4. So there are 4 zeros. Now let us go to the last part. Find distance between GF of the following curves: x square plus 8x plus 15. This is G, this is F. Both are on the negative side. Now let us go here. Let us find these points. These are the point of intersection of the curve with the x-axis on the negative side. Factors are x plus 5, x plus 3. मैंने आपको बताया था x square जब अकेला होता है, one coefficient होता है, then make two brackets, x square, 1x here, 1x here. 15 के factors होते हैं 5 and 3. So x plus 3, x plus 5, x plus 3 are the factors equal to 0, x is minus 5, x is minus 3. So this is how you can find the zeros. So I hope that you might have enjoyed this. This is very, very easy. This is very, very easy. And remember this mnemonic: when it is concave up, it is like a cup. When it is concave down, it is like a frown. Thank you very much for viewing my videos. I'll request you to please subscribe it so that you will know when I'm uploading these notes on the case studies. Thank you very much. God bless you. Bye.